Hey everyone, if you want to run Docsify on your local computer and preview your documentation site before publishing it online, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use Docsify on a local server in 2026. First, install node.js on your computer. This is required because Docsify depends on Node to run its tools properly. Next, install docsify CLI using a simple command. This tool allows you to easily create and run a local server. Now create a folder for your Docsify project. This is where all your documentation files will be stored. Open the folder in Terminal and initialize docsify. This sets up the basic project structure automatically. Start the local server using docsify serve. This will launch your site on a local host address. Copy the local URL and open it in your browser. This lets you preview your Docsify site live on your computer. Now edit your markdown files. When you save changes and refresh, your website will update instantly. So yeah, that's how you use Docsify on a local server. Follow each step carefully, and you can easily build and test your documentation site before publishing it online. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone,